I'd like to do a quick demo video of this American Standard 18-inch tall Studio S pull down faucet. Just installed it. You can see it's got a very clean look. It's a very solid, stable faucet. On this one I used this base cover because at one time the granite was drilled 3 holes for a faucet that had the individual handles, and I've also installed a matching matte black soap dispenser. And this faucet operates very easy. You've got a valve here to cut it off and on. See, it puts out plenty of water. Got a real good stream there. Or if you want a spray stream, you just hit that button right there. If you're wanting to rinse dishes down in the sink, you can see that it'll reach all the way around. You can see that it'll turn at the top all the way over. You can get just to every inch of this big sink with this spray wand. And there's a button on here, right here, that you can push to shut the water off or cut it back on. Put it back on spray, leave it on solid, cut it off, or put it back on. And I'll cut it off. And it has a little magnetic catch there, and there's a weight attached to the hose that helps pull it, retract it back up into the holder. And so that's the American Standard Studio S pull down faucet in matte black. We really like it. It really does a good job. It's do-it-yourself friendly. It comes with a braided hose for the hot and cold water, and I did add, like I say, this base because this was originally drilled for a 3-hole faucet, and I added this matching soap dispenser. And you ought to pick this up. I think you'll like it. Thank you.